Deputy Chief Minister Bakmiya Katnat Parliamentary Affairs ba Preston Song Laong ba KMLA ki day ban board ya ki Kyndon Jong ka Iingdorbar ha ka Jaka ban le drama. Habaklen kila pathai ku bor ba Preston Song la pa ba KMLA ki day ban kia na ki jingkino ki ba klem nong rem bat ki kintin ki bam ya hap setia hapo ka Iingdorbar bat ki day ru ban board ya ki Kyndon Jong ka Iingdorbar.
How can I react? But you see, whatever you do inside the house, my humble request to all the honorable members, we have to be guided by the book, by the, by the rules of procedure and conduct of business, that we are always being guided by that. Right from 1972 till now, till today, we are being guided by that, by the rule of procedure and conduct of business. So I think, how you use the language, how you use the wording, I think it is very, very important that it should be accordance to the rules, because in the rules it already specified everything. How you present yourself, how you talk, how you use the wording. If it is unparliamentary, then we have to, we have to explain. If again it is, a personal attack to any honorable member again inside the house, unless you have the, you have the substantial evidence in the sense that the court has already condemned or the court has convicted or this, that, then only you can say something. Otherwise, just come to a conclusion by saying that like that. I think that is not fair.
What is the status of the FIR against the minister?
Well, I'm not aware, because see, that too, I don't know. Once the FIR is registered, means the case will take its own course. So, because just today only I came to know that the FIR has been filed. So since the FIR has been filed, nobody can disturb that. Let the inquiry start.
So, but the claim of the party is that the law is not equal for ministers and all, action is not being taken. Hence, they feel that it should be on record that they boycott the education minister.
That's why they took it up.
I think, see, rather doing a drama like this over here, I think it is good that you meet the government. You can even come and meet me, because see, for this kind of FIR, we cannot just say to the IO or to the police station that, hey, don't register or do this, because again they have to follow as per the law. So I cannot say that just because I'm the home in charge means I can do anything, I can manipulate anything. It's not like that. So it seems the mindset is like that, as if whatever we do means because you are from the opposition, because you are from the BPP, whatever you do, even if it is the case which is justified or which is right, why should we intervene, and why should we interfere? So that this kind of mindset should not be there. We have to really work together with the government machinery, whoever, whatever, in what level. I think that is important. As I said to you, I cannot myself, being in charge home, to manipulate or to order my IO or to my police in charge, OC or whoever, to say that, hey, please don't register. That is not possible. I cannot, and this is the modern world that we live in.